Momo, what's that?
Well, that's my paper and crayons. I want to draw some of the sea life you showed us. Do you want to draw with me?
Oh boy, yes, let's draw it together.
Awesome. All right, let's do it. Let's draw some sea life together. Pull out your crayons and draw with me. Okay, how about we start with a stingray? You want to draw a big diamond shape for its body. Then the skinny triangle for its tail. Of course, you could give it some eyes. And then some snots. There it is. That's for yours. Good job. Stingray. Next up, let's draw a jellyfish. We'll do a big half moon shape. Then a wiggly bottom. And then wiggly little tentacles. Jellyfish have a lot of them, unlike an octopus that have 8 tentacles. And then little spots. There we go. We have a jellyfish. What else can we draw? Let's see. Oh wow. Let's do how about we do a shark? Do one diamond shape. Sort of this triangle here and a triangle here for its tail. And we have this for its fin for the classic shark look. And we have this here for its little arms to swim with. And then eyes. Big smile for this shark. And triangles for teeth. There you go. Got a shark. Next up, how about we do a pufferfish? We do one big circle. This is when it's puffed out. Do a shape like this for the tail. And the same shape but smaller in the little arms. And the portion that have eyes. And now. Okay, so here's the really fun part. Little triangles all over for its spikes. There we go. Pufferfish. Thank you for drawing with me.
Thanks for having me sing the Sea Life song with you today, Pepper. I have so much fun.
Of course, Jake. And Momo, I loved watching you draw those amazing ocean animals.
Thanks, Pepper. And it was so much fun to learn from Koji today as well. We make a great team.
That's right. Friends help friends learn and grow every single day.
Bye, friends.